Hello everyone, a very good morning to everyone. In the last class dear, we have already finished up to question number 4 and I told you only you have to remember these 8 formula to solve the exercise 8.4 and one more important things was discussed. What is always we will try to write in sine and cos theta. Okay dear, so look at question number 5. Prove the following identities. Identities. What is identities dear? I told you which is identity means which is satisfy for all values. Okay dear. So we have to prove that this one equal to this one. So in such of case, whenever we want to prove that following identity or prove that this one equal to that one, so what we will do? We will take either one side. Either we will take left hand side or right hand side. If we will take left hand side, we will convert in right hand side. If we will take any side, you can take dear. Okay dear. So look at left hand side. So what is cosec theta minus cot theta square. Look at. Now we want to prove that left hand side equal to this one. In what case we can say that they are equal? When we will convert in same as it is. Okay dear. So look at. So cosec theta, what we will do? Always change in sine or cos. Cosec, can we change in sine? Yes. Cosec is 1 by sine theta. Cot. Cot is always cos by sine. Always we will try to write in cos and sine. And look at. Again these two are fraction. And fraction how can we add? By taking LCM. Sin theta, sin theta. That is 1 minus cos theta here. It is become 1 minus cos theta square and it is become 1 minus cos theta and its square, and here sine square theta, because it is a whole square or not. That's why square of the sine theta, sine square theta it is. And now we will open it. Look at how to open it. It is a minus b whole square formula. Always write formula. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab dear. Now a is 1. 1 square 1 plus b cos square theta minus 2 into a. A is 1. 2 into 1. 1 into 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta. Divide by sine square theta. Look at what we will do. Now it is become okay. But we can do one more thing. Look at here. We can do, look at here. It is become 1 minus cos theta. And always look at everyone. Always we will, always our focus on that. What is right hand side? Right hand side 1 minus cos theta. Here is already come 1 minus cos theta na. So it's mean only we have to remove square. Another side or downside we need cos, but here is it sine. So we will write, can we write 1 minus cos theta square equal to sine square theta in form of cos. Sine square theta, cos square another side negative. It is 1 minus cos square theta. You can write this property dear. Sine square theta cos square another side minus 1 minus cos square theta or not. It is formula or not. Always we will use formula dear only because we observe that 1 minus cos, but downside we need cos. So that's why we change it sine square in cos. So 1 minus cos square. So look at here. Can we write it is 1 minus cos theta square. Look at it is a square minus b square, because one square is always 1. So it is always a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A is 1. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Look at, it is 1 minus cos theta, it is 1 minus cos theta square. It is cancel or not? Yes. Why? Because 1 minus cos theta square, what we can write? 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos, we can write 2 times or not? And 1 minus cos, both are equal or not? So we can cut. So only 1. Like this one dear, it is x. X square divided by x, because it is 1 minus, don't cut 1 plus cos, 1 cancel on cos. No. Because always we will cut which are the same term. It means minus 1 cos. It means both are equal. Okay dear. So like this one, so x cancel this one. So what is remain? Only x. So what is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. What we want to prove is, so in last we will write left hand side equal to RHS. Okay dear, it means both these are in identity. Okay dear, either you can start from left right, or you will prove that as a left hand side equal to right. Again, only change in sign cos. If you don't understand in the exam dear, at least one thing you have to do, change sign in cos and take in LCM. Only if you will do till here, then you will got marks. Okay dear. So always we will write. Okay dear. So 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos is there. It means we have to change sin square. Sin square is 1 minus cos square. It is become a minus b square formula. Okay, please note down it. Now dear, second part, cos divided by 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a divided by cos a, prove that equal to 2 sec a. Okay dear, always try to take a side in which the more term are given. Okay, because more term we can reduce in the less term. Okay, because if it is less term we will take, it is very difficult to solve it. Okay dear, so we will take in which side has more term. So left hand side, taking left hand side, you can write taking left hand side. So cos a divide 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a, and always remember dear, whenever there is a plus and minus in the middle, always some students are right here, it is wrong. Some are right is there, it is wrong. Always we will write in the middle. Okay, in the line. Okay dear. Oh, here is the division sign. All three are in line. Okay dear. Look at now. It is also a fraction. It is also a fraction. Two fraction how can we add? By taking LCM. Any common is there? No. So it means what we will do if no common? So we will multiply direct. Yes, do you remember? 7 by 8 plus 4 by 5. So what is LCM? 8 into 5. 8 into 5. Like this one we can write. LCM divided by this one. So 8 into 5 divided by 8. 8 cancel 8. What is remain? 5. Same as it is. Cos A into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A cancel or not? So what is remain? Cos A. Cos A into cos A. Cos square A plus cos into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Cos A cancel cos A. What is remain? 1 plus sin A and its square. Now we will open here. What is cos square A plus, it is A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB dear. 1 square 1 plus B sin square A plus 2 sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. Only step by step dear. Look at now cos square A plus sin square A, how much? cos square a plus sin square a. Sin square theta plus cos square theta always 1. So you will write sin square a plus cos square a. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a upon cos a into 1 plus sin. Only we have to write step by step here, okay? You can write sin square a plus cos square a by this formula. It is 1 or not? Now look at 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin a divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a. What is common? Common is 2. What is remain? 1 plus sin a divide cos, not cos a dear, cos a 1 plus sin a. 2 multiply by some number, cos a into multiply some 1 1 plus plus sin a sin a. It means both are equal or not? So you can cancel like this. Okay dear, don't be cut 1 cancel 1, sin cancel. No, it is whole number cut by whole number. So what is remain? 2 by cos a, but we want to find answer in sec, and 2 divided by 1 upon cos a. What is sec or not? It means it is or not? 1 upon cos theta is always secant theta. So it means 2 into secant a, because we are using angle a. So left hand side equal to RHS. Only we took the LCM and adding them and solve the equation, and we will try to adding the using the identities and add the term. Sin square a plus cos square a 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 is 2 we took LCM. 1 plus sin a 1 plus sin a cancel. 2 by cos a. So 1 by cos a. Cos a is 1 by sec a, and sec a is 1 by cos. So 1 by cos how much? Sec. It is your answer. Note down it. Now dear, next part, third part, tan theta divided upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equal to this. Okay, so we have to prove that. So taking left hand side we took. Now same as it is, we will convert in sin and cos. So tan is sin upon cos, sin theta, and very carefully dear, okay, cos theta. And now this big sin, 1 minus cot. Cot is cos theta upon sin theta. Now plus in the middle, okay dear, plus, and cot is cos theta upon sin theta, and now big sin 1 minus sin theta minus cos theta dear. Now again look at, it is sin upon sin theta upon cos theta. Now this sin. Now these are two are again fraction, and how to add? By taking LCM. So it is sin theta. So it is sin theta minus cos theta dear. Now plus cos theta upon sin theta dear. Now big sin. Now again LCM is cos theta. It is become cos theta minus sin theta dear. And how to solve it? Do you remember? It is suppose like this one dear, a by b, and it is c upon d. So it is meaning dear a upon b, and it is divide c upon d. Everyone know a upon b. Always whenever we change in divide in multiplication, we take the reciprocal of second. Okay dear, d by. So what is a into d, b into c? It's mean dear a into d. First and fourth. First and fourth. Second and third. Okay dear. You can remember like this one also and write direct. Look at it, means sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta dear, upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now plus d. Now plus, look at now cos theta into cos theta, cos theta into cos theta upon sin theta into sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now look at here. Again sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos into cos, cos square theta, sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Again these two are fraction. How to add fractions? By taking LCM. LCM is that here sin theta into cos theta, and sin theta minus cos and cos minus theta both are same? No. It is sin 4 minus 5. It is 5 minus 4. 4 minus 5 minus 1. It is 1. They are different. So what we will, can we take, but if we take common from this one, what common? Minus sign. If we take minus, look at cos theta minus sin theta dear. If you take minus is common. Minus common means minus always change the sign. Cos theta positive, it is become negative cos theta. It is plus sin theta. Now it is become sin theta minus cos. Look at, you can check also. Negative into negative, positive. Negative into positive, negative. So you can take common for the, to avoiding the long process. What we will take common. Sin square theta dear upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, because dear if we convert this one and this one in same, it is easy to taking LCM. Okay dear, so we will take plus dear, look at plus. So it is, if we take common minus sign, so it is minus come here or not, and negative into positive, negative. So it is come negative, and it is cos square theta into sin theta, and now it is become sin theta minus cos theta. Are you understand or not? Look at, you can write plus and minus is here there, plus, and now look at negative into positive, negative minus sin theta. Only negative sign means minus 1 into sin theta, negative sin theta, negative into negative, it is positive. And we know positive into negative, 7 divided by 5, can you write 7 divided by minus 5, can you write minus 7 by 5? Yes. Positive divided by negative answer always negative, and 7 by here also negative. So it is same as it is positive and it is negative. Positive into negative, negative. So that's why I write here it is negative. Why we did this? Because dear now LCM is cos theta into sin theta, and only sin theta minus cos theta, because now no need to write both of them. Okay, now cos theta into sin minus cos, cos theta into what is remain? Sin theta into sin square, sin cube theta minus sin theta into sin minus cos. What is remain? Cos. What is it? Is become cos cube theta. Are you understand? Okay dear. Now there is space problem. What we will do? Please note down it first. Now we will do next. Note down it. Now dear, what we have to do? There is space problem. That's why I rub that side. Look at it. We have already finished. Now it is become. Now what we will do? But we want to change in 1 plus sec plus cos theta. Yes, it is a cube minus b cube formula. a cube minus b cube, 9th class formula. A cube minus b cube always. A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Have you remember? If you have not remember, note down it. Okay, dear? And it is a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube. How much? A plus b. A plus b in place of minus. Now a square plus b square and here minus a. Okay, dear? So note down these two formula. Okay. So now we will use this formula. Look at. It is a cube minus b cube. A is sin theta. A minus b. So we will write sin theta minus cos theta into a square. It's a sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus a into b. A is sin theta into cos theta, dear. Cos theta upon it is sin theta into cos theta. Now sin theta minus cos theta. Yes, what you observed? Sin theta multiply cos, multiply sin minus cos. Sin minus cos multiply by the all are multiplication. Don't cut sin, cancel sin. No, it is a whole number, dear. 5 minus 4 and 5 minus 4. 1 divided by 1 or not? So you can cancel like this one. Okay, dear? It is sin theta minus cos. Cancel or not? Now look at. We need 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. 1. 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Yes. Now some students are cut. Sin theta cancel. No, dear. There is a plus in the middle. Only in multiplication we can cut. Because it is meaning 1 plus 2 by 5 mean 1 plus 2 divided by 2. It is meaning 1 is divided by 2 and 2 also divided by. Same as it is. Here 1 is also divided by sine and cos. Okay, dear. So it is, we will write sine theta, cos theta, sine theta, cos theta. So what we will write? You will write 1 upon sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos theta divide 1 sine theta cos. Yes, plus sine theta cancel sine, cos cancel cos. What is? It is 1 plus 1. Now we need sec theta. Look at 1 by cos. How much? 1 by cos. Cos is opposite of sec. 1 by cos is sec theta and 1 by sine is cosec theta. Yes, cosec theta. And otherwise you can write 1 plus sec theta and cosec theta. Okay, dear? So we convert it. Okay, dear? Only we have to, what we have to do? Taking left hand side, converting sine and cos, taking LCM. After taking LCM, we will focus what we want to 1 plus. So it means we have to adding them and it is become. Now what we can do? We will now check it here. There is any formula a square plus b square, a minus b whole square, a cube minus b cube. So we will check it. So we observe that a cube minus b cube. We apply it here. Sine square plus cos square. 1 plus 30. Okay, dear? That is, note down it now. Now, dear, one more thing is very important in that question. Suppose some students, any students, anyhow, they find answer till there, okay? And they don't know what we have to do. Any step up to any step. Suppose you have to find only till here and you don't know next what we have to do to make a left hand side equal to right. If you don't know what we will do, we have already solved left hand side till here. Now you can take the taking RHS. Okay, what is RHS? 1 plus sec theta cosec theta, because our motto is that left hand side equal to right hand side. So 1 plus sec theta, what you can write? 1 upon cos, and it is 1 upon sin theta, dear. Okay, dear. 1 into 1, 1. Taking LCM. What is LCM? Sin theta, cos theta. 1 into sin theta into cos theta plus 1. Yes, 1 plus sin theta. It is equal or not? After that you can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Now, because we are solving some step, it is become that one or not? It means, and what is called left hand side? It is, so both are equal. Then you can write in last LHS equal to RHS. Okay. It is also important. If you don't know, dear, if you take left hand side and you are able to solve the question only up to 2 or 3 steps. After that step you don't know what we have to do. Then you can take a right hand side and try to make a right hand side equal to right hand. Both are equal or not? So we can write in last both are equal. Okay, dear. You can do by this method also. Look at now. Now, dear, fourth part. 1 plus sec a divided by sec a equal to sin square a equal upon 1 minus cos a. It is fourth part already given in the question, dear. Hint also given. Simplify left hand side and right hand side respectively. What we will do? Left hand side. Look at 1. Always we will change in sin and cos. Sec, what we can write? Sec is 1 upon cos. 1 upon cos a upon, it is 1 upon cos a. Look at how to add. By taking LCM. Cos a or not? LCM is cos a. 1 into cos a. Cos a plus 1. Now it is 1 upon cos a. Now it is, dear, first and fourth. Cos a into 1 plus cos a divide second and third. It is cos a. So what is cos a? Cancel cos a. What is our answer? 1 plus cos a. Now suppose is, dear, here we have already find. It is answer is 1 plus cos a. Now what you will do? 1 plus cos a we have already find, but we want to prove that sin square divided by 1 minus cos a. Okay, dear. So what we will do? Here is the two methods. Look at here also you can do. Always focus on the right hand side here. Look at it is 1 plus cos a, but in the right hand side in the denominator we need, Preeti, in denominator we need 1 minus cos a, but here 1 plus cos. Yes, we need 1 minus cos a. So we divide 1 minus cos a, and it is 7. 7 can be divide by 5. Divide and multiply by same number 5. So same as it is 1 plus cos a, dear. Okay, dear. Now it is become 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a. What is become? A plus b whole square. So multiply. So it is 1 plus cos a whole square upon 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a. Now we have to change this one. Okay, dear. Now what we will do? We need so 1 plus cos a plus b square. 1 plus cos square a plus 2 cos a. Oh, sorry. Divide by 1 minus cos a. Multiply also 1 minus cos a. Sorry, sir. Okay. Now it is become a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A is 1 square minus cos square a. Divide by 1 minus cos a. And 1 minus cos square a. Cos square another side minus. So 1 minus cos square always equal to sin square. So it is sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Left hand side equal to RHS. Okay dear, note down it please. Now dear, you can do by another method also this question, because some students suppose any students solve till here 1 plus cos A, and after it he don't know what I do, because it is very difficult to multiply and divide by what number, then what we will do. It is a simple method, whatever in the right hand side we will focus on. That's why I multiply and divide 1 minus cos A. If you don't know what we will do, you will leave it here. Okay. Now what we will do? What I told you. Now taking RHS. RHS also we will convert. Look at RHS is sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. But RHS we want to change in cos. Only in cos or not? Because left hand side equal to right hand side in what condition? When left hand side what is now? 1 plus cos A. So we have to change in cos. So look at, now we will change sin in cos. What is sin in? Sin square A. Sin square theta is always equal to 1 minus cos is another side, minus 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. Understand dear? Now A square, always remember dear, 1 minus any number and its square, it is become 1, square of 1, 1. It is A square minus B square. Always remember formula. What is A minus B into A plus B is always A square minus B square. It is A square minus B square. Because 1 square, 1, what we can write? 1 square. So it is A minus B. 1 minus cos A multiply 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A cancel. Both are cancel. What is remain? What? 1 plus cos A. Right hand side 1 plus cos A. Left hand side 1 plus. So LHS equal to RHS. Understand here? So always remember, at least you have to solve up to 2 or 3 steps. Okay? And after it you will observe that the answer is not come. So you can take now right hand side also. Okay dear? Same as it is question, you will do yourself 9th part. 9th part you have to do yourself. 9th part you will do yourself. Okay? And rest of the question we will do in the next class. Okay dear? So please note down it. And your homework is example number 13 and 14 also you have to do yourself. Okay? So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.